Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video on a 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Now this beautiful car has been completely restored, and it's probably been, I bet it's been 20 years ago this car has been restored, and it still looks great today. 72,000 miles are on the odometer, and I would not be surprised if those miles are accurate. This car has been in a private collection for the last 35 years. We ended up purchasing five cars out of the collection. A friend of mine found all these cars and he purchased them, and then we went and bought them from him. So wipers work, horn works. Radio works. Well, I know it did work. I drove this car the other day, or got in this car the other day, and the radio was playing. Maybe it needs to warm up. She needs to be get out and be driven a little bit. Her sister, I had a 57, and I drove her back about 70 miles, and she runs great. This car runs really well too. You see the lights work good on it. Got the correct exhaust tips on it. It's got fender skirts on it. If you do not like the fender skirts, you can take them off. Like I say, it's got the factory hubcaps on it with the Coker wide white walls on it. Some people may want to change those up and drop it and do their own thing to it, but we're going to leave it stock, and you folks can make the determination what you want to do with it. It is a power steering, power brake car. It is a V8 car. Just a really nice car. It's got the California front bumper on it. The chrome is very nice. The stainless trim. It's in very nice shape as well. All the trim around the windows, very nice shape. Flappers work. I'll get the keys here and we'll open the trunk up. The interior in this car is just gorgeous. Back seat, front seat, rear panels, package tray, headliner. The dome lights work in the car. Flip that other signal real quick. Show you inside that other door. Spare tire, jack. Just a very, very nice car. Probably appropriate. I'm going to price this car at $56,900. It's a 56, so we'll price it at $56,900. I just love how they designed their interiors back in the day. Just everything was better in the 50s and 60s as far as cars go. The class, the style, the chrome, the stainless, the trim, the bright work. They are absolutely a work of art. Take this baby out for a little spin. plug in my phone. I'll tell you if the cigarette lighter works here in a minute. The heater works, the blower motor works. I don't think the cigarette lighter is working. I am gonna roll up these windows before I take off though. It's not super cold out, but it's just a little bit chilly. It's nice. The car's a, like I told you before, it's a power steering, power brake car. So that's a nice, couple nice options there.